In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Vimeo video private. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Making your video private can be really handy to protect your content, or share it only with a select audience. So let's dive right in. First, you want to open Vimeo in your web browser. You can get to vimeo.com easily with a simple web search, or if you have it bookmarked, that's even better. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you haven't done so already, enter your email and password and click on the Sign In button. Just give a moment for the site to load your account. Now that you're signed in, look for the Library section on the top navigation bar. This is where all the videos you've uploaded to your account are stored. Go ahead and click on Library. It may take a second to load all your content, especially if you've uploaded quite a few videos. Once you're in the library, take a moment to find the video that you want to make private. You can scroll through your videos or use the search function if you have many of them. When you find the video you want to change, go ahead and click on it. This action will open the video page where you can access various settings for that specific video. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a button that says Share. Click on that, as it will bring up several sharing options for your video. It's an important step because this is where you'll adjust the privacy settings. After you click the Share button, a new menu will appear, and this should provide you with options to share your video through different platforms or to different audiences. In this new menu, you'll need to locate the Privacy drop-down menu. This might take a moment to find, so take your time. Look for the setting that indicates how public or private your video currently is. It could show options like Public, Anyone with the link, or perhaps Only Me. Once you've found that privacy dropdown, click on it. You'll see a list of different privacy settings you can choose from. For the purpose of making your video private, select the option that says Private. Just click on that, and you'll notice that the setting saves automatically. This means you won't have to worry about clicking any type of Save button. It's already been done for you. After making this change, your video is now viewable only by you and any authorized team members on your Vimeo account. This gives you complete control over who can see your content. If you have a team working with you on projects, this feature can be incredibly useful for sharing content in a more private and controlled environment. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Vimeo video private. Now you can rest easy knowing that your content is protected from unwanted viewers. If you ever need to change the privacy settings again, just follow the same steps and you'll be able to switch things up depending on your needs. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content like this. Making sure your content is private when needed can help you maintain the quality and exclusivity of your work. Until next time, happy creating and have a wonderful day.